Welcome back Shyamalan chess lovers. In today's video we explore a devastating trap in the Alekhine Defense from the game Wren vs Mayfield, Halifax 1941. One mistake by black leads to total disaster. Let's break it down move by move. First move to e4, white starts with the king's pawn opening. Black replies with knight f6, the Alekhine Defense, challenging the center from the start. Second move to e5, white immediately pushes the pawn, gaining space and attacking the knight. Point 2 nd move to black retreats the knight to d5, the main line of Alekhine. Third move to c4, white continues with a strong center grab, attacking the knight again. Third move to black avoids further pressure by jumping to knight b6, still in known territory. Fourth move to d4, white reinforces the center with d4, dominating the board. Fourth move to black responds with d6, aiming to chip away at the e5 pawn and eventually challenge the center. Fifth move to white develops the bishop to an active diagonal. Point 5 th move to black captures on e5, opening the position but ignoring a critical tactical detail. Sixth move to white recaptures the pawn, d-cross e5, maintaining the center and creating an open file. Sixth move to black develops the knight to d7, preparing to support central squares. But now white is ready to strike. Here comes the tactical blow. Seventh move to white pushes e6, an attacking pawn sacrifice that opens lines and creates huge problems for black. Instead, the better defense would have been seventh move to black knight e5, controlling f7 and avoiding a future pin. But seventh move to black plays knight f6, trying to pressure e4 and activate pieces, and this is the critical blunder. Eighth move to white captures on f7 with check. Eighth move to black is forced to take with the king, completely ruining king safety early in the game. Ninth move to bishop g6 check, a stunning move. White sacrifices the bishop to open the h-file. Ninth move to h-cross g6, black must accept or face mate threats, so he captures thinking he's safe. 10th move to white queen cross d8, and now the killer blow. Queen takes on d8 check and a discovered attack. Black has no way out. The queen is gone and with it the game. Result, 1-0. Black resigns. A brilliant example of how one mistake in the Alekhine Defense can lead to total collapse. If you enjoyed this crushing trap in the Alekhine Defense, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you've ever fallen for or pulled off a trap like this. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.